Meet the 2026 Toyota Camry Nightshade, the sleekest, darkest version of Toyota's iconic sedan we've ever seen. Now let's be clear, under the hood, it's still the all-new Camry we know, hybrid only, powerful, fuel-efficient, and loaded with top-tier tech and safety. But the Nightshade trim? That's all about style. You are getting a full blackout treatment, a midnight black grille, black air curtains, black door handles, black mirror caps, black antenna, even the rear diffuser and spoiler are blacked out. Everything screams attitude. These 19-inch black wheels? Inspired by the SID design but wrapped in all-season tires, perfect for year-round cruising. And it comes in 3 bold colors, ice cap white, supersonic red, or full-on midnight black. The Nightshade sits just above the Camry SE trim and can be paired with front-wheel or all-wheel drive, giving you that choice between comfort and confidence. Oh, and if you are looking at other trims, Toyota's adding a new, dark Cosmos color that shifts between grey and blue depending on the light. Trust me, you'll want to see it in person. The 2026 Camry is expected to hit dealerships this summer. Pricing? Still under wraps, but we'll keep you posted. Would you pick the Nightshade over a standard Camry? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more car updates.